Look at the guy on the left. That's Ryan. He drives a BMW. He wears a $500 watch. Society call him successful. Now look at the guy on the right. That's Alex. He wake up at noon. He has no appeal. Society call him lazy. But let me tell you a secret. Ryan's BMW is on finance. If he loses his job tomorrow, he is bankrupt. What about Alex? Alex made $500 last night while he was sleeping. Ryan look rich, but Alex is rich. Why? Because Ryan sells his time and Alex sells his time. Ryan is a freelancer. He charges $50 an hour. He works 10 hours a day. He thinks he is a free. If Ryan stops typing, his income dropped to zero. If Ryan gets sick, his bank account freezes. Because Ryan did not build a business. He built himself as a golden case. He just stayed at a 9 to 5 boss for a 24/7 client. He is a slave to the book. On the other hand, Alex knew he could not scale his time. There are only 24 hours in a day. So instead of hunting for the next client, he spent 1 week build a digital asset, a simple DJ template pack. He uploaded it online for $490. Here is a different while Ryan was arguing with a client at 2 a.m. about a logo color. And the same time, Alex was sleeping and 10 people bought his product. And Alex made $500 in his sleep and Ryan made nothing. 1 year later, Ryan burned out. He hit a wall. And same time, Alex traveling the world. Because Ryan sold labor, Alex sold leverage. If you have a physically present to make money, you don't own a business, you own a job. And job don't create wealth, asset too. So look in the mirror today, who are you playing as? Are you building a case like Ryan? Or are you building a freedom like Alex? If you want to know exactly what kind of digital asset you can build this weekend with zero money, subscribe now. So viewers, see you next video. Till then, take care. Tata, bye bye.